Good morning, dear students. We'll study about the GK. Okay, this is your textbook. In the textbook only you will have to write down, and if there is an extra thing, it means if there is an exercise, then you will have to write down in the notebook. So for that you will have to make the very thin notebook, okay, because you are not going to write too much in that. Clear? So this is the first chapter. There are total 61 chapters are there. Okay, some of them I will teach you how to write down the things and all. Clear? And some of them you will have to study by your own. मैं आपको ऐसे ही चैप्टर्स खुद से करने के लिए दूंगी जो चैप्टर्स आप उसके बारे में आप पढ़ चुके हो आगे. ठीक है, आइदर वो कोई किसी सब्जेक्ट्स में आ गया होगा तो वो चैप्टर्स आपको खुद से करने होंगे. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज द 7 सिस्टर्स ऑफ इंडिया. I am sure you all must have heard about the 7 sisters of India, right? So let me give you some brief introduction about it. The 7 sisters of India is nothing but the northern part of India. This 7 sisters of India is mainly focuses on which part of the India? Northeast part of the India. Okay, so what are the states which covers the northern part of the India? So the states are the Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Tripura, Assam, Manipur and Mizoram. Okay, these are the 7 states, okay, which are in the northern states of the India. Clear? And this 7 state has their own uniqueness and culture. Okay, so these all states having the more their own values, their own culture, then or their own tradition. Okay, so these states having their certain kind of speciality through which they are called as the 7 sisters of India. Okay, if you note down the states of India, northeast states of the India, that here it is in your textbook only, so that you can write down, either you can underline it. Okay, now here is a small quiz for you all. Okay, these are the 8 pictures is given, and what is the speciality of the particular picture is already given. Okay, so here the answer is given. Just you have to note down the answers according to the picture. You have to match the answer according to picture and information. Clear? So here total 8 pictures and the information is given. The first is the picture of lake, second is the picture of river, third one is the picture of any cultural dance, then fourth one is the any cultural festival, then fifth one is any kind of the refinery, and the sixth one is the village, and the 7th one is about the Iceland, and 8th one is about the any place. Okay, so you will have to read this, and you have to, according to that, you will have to match the answer from this box. Okay, if you will not get the answer, then you can search on the internet, write down this lines and find out the answer, that this lake is where it is located. Okay, it is located in Manipur, but what is the name of that lake? That you will have to write down here in the blank. Clear? Now the second chapter is Hima Das. Okay, the golden girl of India. It will be asked in a one word that name the girl which is famous as the golden girl of India. So you must be knowing that is the Hima Das. Now this is I am not going to one word line to line, just I am telling you that she is the sports person, okay, and she is the athletic player also. And here in the textbook there is a whole biography, we can say the whole lifestyle is given about the Hina Das, ओके कि उसका स्ट्रगल कैसा हुआ, कि वो स्पोर्ट्स में कैसे आगे बढ़ी, वो कैसे द गोल्डन गर्ल ऑफ इंडिया बनी, द एवरीथिंग इज गिवन, ओके, इट इज लाइक अ स्टोरी, क्लियर, कि उसके पेरेंट्स क्या करते थे, तो उसके पेरेंट्स राइस फार्मर थे उनके, देन वो सबसे यंगेस्ट गर्ल थी, ओके, उनके ब्रदर और सिस्टर में, clear. So this is the Hima Das. It's about the story that you will have to read it and underline the main words. Okay. Now the third chapter is about the autobiographies of sports person. Okay. I'm sure you all must be knowing about the some of them. There are total 10 sport person is given. The one, some of you which know that Sachin Tendulkar, Kapil Dev, P.T. Usha, then Milkha Singh, Sania Mirza, Mary Kom, this you all people know. Okay, and this all sports person has written their own book. Okay, कोई भी इंसान अगर अपनी बुक लिखता है अपने लाइफ के बारे में कि उसने अपना कैसे करियर बनाया, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड दिस ऑटोबायोग्राफी. ओके, सो हम जब भी कोई बुक लिखते हैं तो उसका नाम भी होता है, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि अगर 7th स्टैंडर्ड की साइंस की बुक है तो उसके ऊपर साइंस लिखा है. ओके, सो ये सचिन तेंदुलकर की बुक है, हाँ, तो बुक का कोई टाइटल तो देना पड़ेगा ना. सो दिस आर द सर्टेन टाइटल्स which is based on the that sport person. कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अनब्रेकेबल है तो ये अनब्रेकेबल टाइटल किसने दिया है, तो दैट इज दिस टाइटल इज गिवन बाय मैरी कॉम. ओके, सो दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ देयर autobiographies of sport this given sport person. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सचिन तेंदुलकर है तो सचिन तेंदुलकर ने कौन सा टाइटल दिया है, तो प्लेइंग इट माई वे. ओके, अपने तरीके से खेलो, राइट. सो दिस वन ऑल्सो यू विल हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर इन द बॉक्स. You will have to write down the whether the answer will be A, B or C. Either which is the answer. Here the answer is H. तो आपको यहाँ पे H लिखना है. Clear? So this way you will have to fill the chapter number 3. And now this 4th chapter is too much easy for you all because the amazing landmarks of the world. ओके, आप पिक्चर देख के ही पता चल जाएगा कि ये कौन से लैंडमार्क्स है, राइट. तो वो लैंडमार्क्स के जो नाम है वो नीचे ऑलरेडी दिए ही है, आपको जस्ट ये इंफॉर्मेशन के सामने उसका नाम लिखना है. कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन. इट इज द वर्ल्ड्स टॉलेस्ट लैंडमार्क स्टैच्यू with a height of 182 meters located in Gujarat, India. It is dedicated to Indian independence movement leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India. So what is the name of that landmark? So that is the Statue of Unity. Okay, here you will find the answer. So here in the name you will have to write down the answer, Statue of Unity. Clear? So I'm sure this one is also you can able to do it by your own. Okay, now see students, एग्जाम में 1 marks के क्वेश्चंस में ये आ सकता है कि what is the height of the Statue of Unity. Okay, clear? So many ways can be many different ways we can ask the questions. We'll keep here till the chapter number 4. Rest of the chapter we will study later on, but you will have to complete the chapter from 1 to 4 in your textbook. Okay, so we'll meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.